The home is where the heart is, but now it got changed into the phone is where the heart is. Hello, I'm Anisha Gupta from BCom Honors Fosan, and today I'm gonna give a speech on a very serious topic that what is the best age to own a mobile phone? The right to give children their personal phone. It totally depends on their maturity level and the way they use things. I mean the way they handle things. And according to a society, according to a parents, the best age to own a mobile phone is about 18. I mean, if a child crossed his 18 years, then he or she can get a mobile phone. He or she can get her personal phone. So it totally depends on age. But according to me, according to my point of view, that the usage of mobile phone doesn't depends on our age. It totally depends on us. It totally depends on our mind that how we are using it. I mean, in what way we are using it. We are using it in a negative way or in a positive way. It totally depends on us. Because every coin has two sides. So also mobile phone has its pros and cons as well. There are many advantages and disadvantages of using mobile phone. So first talk about advantages. You all know, you all aware about the advantages of using mobile phone. I mean, there's so many, lot of examples. I mean, there are lot of advantages of using mobile phones. Mobile phone helps to communicate people from one place to another. It helps us to learn new thing by Google or YouTube. It helps a lot. It helps a student life. It helps in a student life, like it helps a student to get their studies with the help of YouTube. I mean, there are advantages, but usage of mobile phone and usage of overuse of anything can cause harms. So it has also negative impact on a social relationship. It distract a student life. I mean, mobile phone nowadays, mobile phone distracting a student, mobile phone distracting the youth, especially the youth. It distracting the youth because the youth don't know about what is actually happening in the real world. They always are phone from day to night. They're always on the phone and YouTube, on their Zoom, Meet, but they don't know what is actually happening in the real world. Earlier children used to play in the grounds, but now half of children population addicted to mobile phone. I mean, their playgrounds have been converted into their so-called mobile phones. So there are many disadvantages also in using mobile phones, because overuse of anything can cause harms and can cause destruction. So, and I want to share a real life example with you guys. My two cousins, Tanya, which is 15-year-old, and Raghav, which is 19-year-old. Tanya, which is always on the phone, but her goal is study. I mean, she's always studying with the help of phone. On the other hand, Raghav, he's always on the phone, but in another way. Means he plays games. He always plays games on the mobile phone. He never used mobile phone with a target to study. So, because now you're thinking that why I'm sharing this example with you guys. I'm sharing because the question was, what is the best age to own a mobile phone? I mean, there is no right age to get a mobile phone. There is a right mind to get a mobile phone. Because Tanya, which is 15-year-old, who uses the mobile phone in a proper way, but her elder brother uses the mobile phone only in video games or watching cartoon or watching movies on his phone. So I want to conclude that using mobile phone in a proper way. I'm not saying that mobile phone should be banned. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that use mobile phone but up to limits, because everything has merits and demerits. So merits for those who are using it properly, and demerits for those who are using it in an improper way or in a negative way. So use it in a proper way, because mobile phone is like a jadi booty, for us. So use it, but in a proper way. Thank you very much.